Welcome back to 7 Engineers YouTube channel. Minimum and maximum size of RCC column for normal residential building. This is the topic for today. Before starting the video, if you are new on this channel, so you may subscribe this channel. If you have already subscribed the channel, so you may like this video because this is very interesting for you people. Let's get started, guys. Minimum and maximum size of RCC column for normal residential building up to G+1 story, or you can say for G+1 story, ground floor plus first floor. Remember guys, minimum size of the column should not be less than 9 by 9 inches for ground floor. This is minimum size, and maximum size for ground floor is 12 by 12 inches for ground floor. But remember guys, here as we discussed, size is 9 by 9 inches, so inside this you should use for G+1 4 numbers of steel rods, which diameter of bar should not be less than 12 millimeter. Okay, 4 numbers of bar and the dia should not be less than 12 millimeter. And the next one, diameter of lateral ties should not be less than 8 millimeter with the spacing of 6 inches center to center. Okay, next guys, you can see these are hooks. Okay, so hook's length should be 3 inches with 135 angle or degree. These hooks should be bent on 135 degree. And the last one for this, that is use M20 grade concrete, which characteristic strength is 20 Newton per mm square after 28 days. So this is very important. So this is minimum and maximum size for G+1. The other one guys, for G+1, the size should not be more than for G+1 for normal residential building if you can say the self load or the structure load is normal for G+1. So in that case 12 by 9 inches. So this is the suitable size of RCC column or standard size of RCC column with 6 numbers of steel rods. Guys, you can see. Okay, so use 6 numbers, dia 12 millimeter. So this is for longitudinal bar. These are longitudinal bars. Okay, and dia of ties 8 millimeter with the spacing of 6 inches center to center. Okay, same guys, use M20 grade concrete, concrete cover 1.5 inch or 40 millimeter. Next guys, lapping, especially for column, should not be less than 50D, where D is longitudinal bar. Okay, diameter of longitudinal bar. Guys, you can see clearly everything. But if you want to increase for G plus 2 story, G plus 3 story, so before starting building construction, you should share the planning, because we have maximum spacing between two column, minimum spacing between two column. If you are going more than G plus 1 story, so you should hire the structural engineer to give you the structural drawing for foundation, beam, column, slab, inside steel reinforcement. So they will give you economical design, especially for residential building. If you don't know about all these things, so you should not decide the size of column, size of beams, depth and width, or you can say the size of footing, etc. Otherwise you will face more problems, because for this you should hire the structural engineer to give you the structure design. But for normal residential building up to 2 story, which I have discussed here in this short video, so this is very important for you people to know about these things. So thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.